If you love colorful birds but hate boring facts, then stick around because we're talking sun conures. The sun conure is like a flying rainbow. This bright, beautiful bird calls the tropical forests of South America its home. Did you know? Sun conures can live up to 30 years. These parrots are not just pretty faces. They're super smart and can even learn to talk. Plus, they love to play and need lots of toys to stay happy. Sun conures are also known for their loud, cheerful squawks. They use their voices to communicate and keep in touch with their flock. But watch out. These cuties need a lot of attention and care. With the right love and environment, a sun conure can become your lifelong feathered friend. So if you're looking for a vibrant, chatty companion, the sun conure might just be the bird for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more birdie fun.